What is up, people? How y'all doing? It's your girl Ashley with another Chronicles of a Funny Girl DIY I'm about to try. So, finally, I have figured out what kind of art I want to have displayed in the bedroom. It took a minute. I didn't think I was going to get there. My husband sure didn't think I was going to get there, but I'm there. So this is what this episode is going to be about. So before we get into it, do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you guys can be on top of when I post. Let's get into it. So this is just one of the canvases that was already like in the room. As you can see, it has went through a whole bunch of transitions to be half fabric and then the other half paint. So I just taped it off in half. Again, this is a 24 by 24 inch canvas. Again, feel free to get whichever size canvas works for your space. And then I have my 2-inch brush that came from Walmart. It'll be down in the description bar, but I've talked about these brushes and some other brushes in another video, so go and watch that. And then we're going to be using the Art Minds. This one is outdoors. So this is exterior paint, but you can still use it on this kind of stuff. And I'm going to be using it straight from the little jar. I like this. I may end up using a roller brush just to kind of make it a little bit more seamless. I'll see after it dries the first coat, but I like doing this because I feel like, I don't know if I'm alone, but when I pour it into something and use it, I feel like I always pour too much. I'm already heavy-handed, so I don't like it, and I feel like I'm wasting, and y'all know me, I don't want to waste nothing. So I'm dipping it in with the brush straight onto the canvas, and then if I need to, then I'll take a roller brush and roll over it. Let's get into this. All right, brushes up. So now I'm dipping in here. Ooh, my brush thing got a little sparsy. And then I'm just kind of coming from an angle. I'm just kind of come from an angle and then just brush out. And that's all I'm doing, you know, because this painting did have like some texture to it originally. Some of it came up when I started to chip off the tan, but it still has a lot of texture, and I feel like when I do it like at an angle, it kind of plays with it and not against it, if that makes sense to you guys. So I'm just gonna keep doing this, and then I'll be back once it's all dried, and we'll move to the second part of this mixed media artwork. Okay, people, so I'm back, and this picture right here, let me move this. So this picture right here, I started doing it for another video and then decided to go into a whole nother direction. So all I did was, this part was what I was going with at first, and then it was just going to be that color and then this burlap orange fabric. But then I decided I want to throw another color in there, so I added this mustard yellow. And so now all I did was I cut this fabric out in a little triangle. And I did iron it for 2 reasons. Just because it was wrinkled, and you see it got wrinkled again, but that's cool. It'll fall out, and to make this edge crisp so that when I spray the adhesive spray, it'll lay down really flat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and then just spray, and since it dries clear, it's cool, and just spray down. And then spray all back here too. And then just start smoothing it out. Spray that down, get your side together. And I'm about to go corner. Lay you down, lay you down, lay you down. You do have a little play time with this, but I don't like to play too much with it. And I just take my fingers and push down that end right there. Ooh, this stuff's strong. I'm not in a ventilated area, guys, but make sure you got a fan on or something, or had a window open. Matter of fact, all right, had to open that window up because your girl was tripping. I don't know why I didn't do that. This stuff is wrong. Okay, so all I did, I'm just smoothing this out. That's done. So now all I'm gonna do is take my staple gun and literally just go ahead and just start stapling this around the sides and just cut off the excess. You're good to go. All right, guys. So I went ahead and finished it up all off camera, the stapling down of the burlap. And then what I said was how this color orange and yellow, there is a line of demarcation right there. And so I was like, okay, ooh, I did this wrapping of like yarn for another picture that's going to be hanging up. I'll show you that at the end of the video. But I was like, oh, let me do that with that. But I didn't want to do that yarn because, you know, I wanted to bring a little bit of neutralness into it. So I just went ahead and used some of this rope, which is straight from, where is it? Where is it? Don't know where it's at, but it's from the dollar store. This is just that dollar store nautical rope that you can get over in the floral and garden department. 13 feet. And I just went ahead and just wrapped this baby in whatever little design that came about. I did bring it down the crease of the burlap fabric too. And then I just wrapped it and I'm loving it. And so now I put another coat on the other painting that we started with, and I'm going to check on that so that I can go ahead and wrap that in the other fabric. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back and I have completed the bottom half of this canvas. So I just did it this really deep espresso color. It's all dry. It still has some of that texture in it. You can see it a little bit, so I'm glad. I didn't use the roller brush. I just kept with the actual bristle brush. And now I'm going to add the fabric onto the bottom part. And this is, like I said, I love this fabric. It's the little cork fabric from Hobby Lobby. I love it. If you can see like the gold in it, it's just dreamy. And then it has like this gold border. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down. And just like I did with the burlap, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with the adhesive, smooth it out, and then come back behind that with the staple gun. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of that off camera and then come back with you to wrap everything up. Stay tuned.
So here we are, guys, the final pieces. The pieces on the left, I did those just another day, and you probably recognize some of the materials from another video. And here are the ones we completed. You see the colors. I just love how they play so well together. I can't wait to get them all up. I'm excited about this bedroom reveal. It's all coming together. So you know what I like you guys to do. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you will stay on top of when I post. Drop me a comment because I always love to hear from you guys, and I will talk to you soon.